Balance transfers let you shift high-interest debt from your current credit card to a Tesco credit card with a lower rate, potentially saving you money on interest payments. Tesco Bank offers balance transfer options on their credit cards, allowing you to move existing debt to take advantage of lower rates or promotional periods. To qualify for a Tesco balance transfer, you'll need a good credit score. Tesco Bank performs credit checks to determine eligibility. Tesco charges a balance transfer fee of around 2.99% of the amount transferred, or £5 minimum. However, promotional offers may waive this fee for the first 6 to 12 months. Transfer limits typically range from £300 to £15,000, depending on your creditworthiness. Premium cards like the Tesco Platinum may offer higher limits up to £25,000. The balance transfer process typically takes 3 to 10 working days from approval. Funds are debited from your old card and credited to your new Tesco card. Balance transfers can help you save money by reducing interest payments, as shown by compound interest calculations. However, remember that it's about managing existing debt wisely, not accumulating more. To maximize your Tesco balance transfer, start by tracking the transfer progress through the Tesco Bank app for real-time updates. Explore smart transfers that use algorithms to optimize savings based on your spending patterns. Be aware that rising rates and fees are common in the market, though regulatory caps help control them. AI-driven tools are becoming popular for determining the best timing for transfers to maximize savings. In the future, seamless transfers via APIs could make the process even faster and more efficient. A success example is a London teacher who saved £1,200 by transferring £8,000 to a Tesco Platinum card during a 0% APR period. However, watch out for the end of the 0% period, as costs can rise sharply after that. Check your eligibility before applying to avoid negative impacts on your credit score. Finally, stay informed about updates to fees, APR rates, and any new promotional offers from Tesco Bank.